Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the XDEEP Stealth Harness. So this is the basis for their side mount setup. You can get the side mount rig, fit it to your body, and then you can pick and choose and change the wing. So it's a very customizable system. You can move and change and get things exactly where you want them. I'm just going to show you how the weighting system that runs down your spine works, and a few of the other bits and bobs of the harness. So first of all, you also get sections of bungee, always useful with side mounts, either for sort of clipping your cylinder in position. With the wing, you're going to get a separate bit that holds it nice and close to your body. But yeah, you get a section of bungee for loops for your cylinder. Also for for a cable light or something, you get a little plate for that and some more bungee. So all the accessories that you need, you get sort of with the harness. Now the harness comes fully assembled, so you do have to do a bit of adjusting to make sure it's exactly the right size and shape for you, but you can fully adjust where you want all of these little sort of D-rings. You can move them around the system. Okay, the weight system runs down the spine, so that keeps it nice and close to your body, really sort of close trim. And obviously it's not quick release because it's all done behind you, but it really allows you to adjust exactly where that lead sits on your person. And the weight pouch is sort of adjustable, so you can move that around sort of inside the system. So fully customizable. Now the weights, you have one section of Velcro that locks it all down, and then each of these just opens up a little compartment that you can store some lead in, and then it Velcros itself down, and that sort of locks it in position. Again, if you want more weight up towards your shoulders, you can move it up there. If you need to, you can move the entire weight system a little bit further up, fully customizable. Locking it back down, again, just as easy as laying down some Velcro. And then over the top of that, you're going to lay your BCD bladder, depending on whether you want the classic or the sort of the tech bladder, completely up to you, depending on what type of diver you are. Okay, obviously you have shoulder straps with a pre-bent D-ring to clip off onto, adjustable down here in this little sort of smaller your back system. Nice big pre-bent sort of square D-rings for your stages, and then you've got some sort of rubber rings, and you've got that quick release traditional waistband. You also have a crotch strap. On that you have two stainless steel D-rings, one to go in the sort of smaller your back in the butt sort of position, and then one in the front for a DPV, and then the loop that goes over your waistband. So all in all, a fantastic setup. Everything's done by these two little modules. They sort of mean that you can adjust it and have it nice and comfortable for your body shape and your needs while side mount diving. Completely customizable, and then you just pick the bladder that you need. This is the XDEEP Stealth Harness. Thanks for watching, and safe diving.
We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.